How to enable dark mode on HFM mobile application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly enable the dark mode on the HFM mobile app. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the HFM application on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, select Appearance Settings. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to dark mode to immediately switch your HFM application interface to a dark color. The app will instantly switch to a darker theme. Some versions may also have the light mode option, but if you want to have the light mode enabled, then you can just switch this button off right next to dark mode and you are back to the white mode again. So there you have it. That's how you enable dark mode on the HFM mobile app. Easier on the eyes and looks pretty sleek. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.